Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's video session, we will discuss error detecting and correcting techniques. There are three major techniques used for error detecting and correcting, and these techniques are in the form of parity checking, Hamming codes, and cyclic redundancy check, that is also called CRC. So first we will discuss parity checking. It is the simplest technique trying to establish if binary data has changed during transmission. So through parity checking we can find out the error during transmissions. So if there is some error occur, we can find out that particular error through parity checking. So how does it work? If we have two nodes, one is sender and the second one is receiver, and sender want to send some data to receiver. So before sending the data, these two nodes should decide upon the protocol to be used, either even parity or odd parity. Even parity means even number of ones, and odd parity means odd number of ones. So if in a byte, let's suppose if we consider a byte 8 bits and you count down the number of ones, if number of ones are even, let's suppose it could be 2, 4, 6 and even 8, so we would see, and we would call that even parity. And if the number of ones are even, like odd, like 3, 5 or 7 or even 1, so we would say that is odd parity. So this is the main difference between odd parity and even parity. So before transmitting the data, the sender and receiver are supposed to decide the protocol that is even, that is either even parity, to choose even parity, or to choose odd parity. So first we need to draw the structure of the frame, or structure or format of the frame. So let's suppose we are going to consider 8 bits or a single byte. So in one byte we normally have 8 bits, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this bit, MSB, or most significant bit, is basically a parity bit, and the other one are D6 data bits, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1 and D0. So 7 bits would be data bits, and this single bit would be a parity bit. So before transmitting data, both the parties should agree about the even parity or odd parity, and then you need to count the number of ones. If the number of ones are 3 and both the parties are decided to choose even parity and the number of bits are 3, so in that case P would be considered as a 1. And if the number of ones are even 4 in these 7 bits, and both the parties are agreed upon the odd parity, and if these are 4, so P would be considered as a 1. So this is called parity check. It's the most simplest techniques, and we can use for error detecting during transmission. So at the sender side, within each byte of data to be sent, one bit, that is MSB, becomes a parity bit. So let's suppose I choose this 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we normally we have 3 ones, 1, 2, 3, and both the parties are agreed upon on even parity. So in that particular case, this parity bit, D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1 and D0. If both the parties sender and receiver are agreed upon on even parity, then in this case, that particular case, we will consider parity bit as a 1. So P would be considered as a 1. Okay, if for the same data, if both the parties are agreed upon the odd parity, then in that particular case P would be considered as a 0. So this one is for odd and this one is for even parity. So it's a very simple technique. At the receiver side, how the receiver will ensure that there is no error or there are some error. So at the receiver side, it basically check to see if the byte of data has even or odd. We can see has even number of 1 or odd number of ones. Also check to see the agreed protocol between the two sides. So the receiver side will enforce two agreed protocol, either odd or even. So at the receiver side, first the receiver should consider and should check the even or odd parity that has been agreed between the sending and receiving party. Let's suppose if he received the same data and he checked that both the parties are agreed upon the even parity, and if he received the same if he received data that is even number of 1 or the same data, so there will be no error. And if he received, let's suppose we consider this example first. If he received any data 0 1 0 1 1 0, and let's suppose this is 1 and 1, some change occur here. So he will first check that both the parties were agreed upon the even parity. So he will try to check the number of ones, 1 2 3 4 5. So we have even number of 1. So the receiver will detect that there is some error in the data. Particularly if he received this data, the same frame 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0, and both the parties were agreed upon the odd number of ones. So after checking at the receiver side 1 2 3, so we received odd number of ones, so this will be considered as corrected frame. So in this case, this particular frame or the particular byte may be retransmitted. However, in this simplest technique, there are some drawbacks, and these drawbacks are that the first drawback is it is not suitable for multiple or multi-bit errors. You can easily find single bit error through parity checking, but it is difficult to deploy the same protocol for multi-bit errors. If more than one bit in the frame or in a byte changed, so it will it is quite difficult to figure out that particular scenario or that particular error. The second one, it cannot detect all types of error. Detects all types of error. So this is a very simplest technique, parity checking, in which at the receiver side both the parties decide that either they are going to transmit through odd parity or even parity. On the basis of that particular protocol, they decide the parity bit to choose either 1 or 0. So after deciding that 0 or 1 for the parity check, at the receiver side, the receiver must check the protocol characteristics, and then you will count the number of ones. If you found the same number of ones, if both the parties were agreed upon the even parity, and the number of received bits are even, so he will accept that particular frame. And other, if he received odd number of ones, so he will discard that particular frame, and the sender will resend again that particular frame. So this is a very simple protocol that is used for error detection